Welcome to the School of Wordcraft and Worldmancy. This is Feedback Frenzy.
Hello everyone, and welcome to a Submit Saturday where you can submit your 1,500 words of fiction or a world-building article for review here on WriterGreg School of Worldcraft and Worldmancy. We have something absolutely completely different. Someone submitted a song. So we have Jonahbk who submitted a song, Cash Machine. I have not listened to it. I have the lyrics in a different window, and so we're just going to go ahead and just see what happens. I'm kind of interested in this. So here's the link where is the music. If you'd like to go follow that, but I'm going to play it and Alt tab over to the lyrics, and we'll just kind of see what happens. Here we go.
I made this song because I needed to, not because I have something to prove. It's been this long because I needed to take what I had to bring and improve. Don't ever treat me like I'm not a human being. I'm a person, not a cash machine. I don't care about what I have to obtain. I'm just a guy who loves to complain. I don't care about what I have to obtain. When you tell me this isn't right, you expect me to comply. Whoa. Don't ever treat me like I'm not a human being. I'm a person, not a cash machine. I don't care about what I have to obtain. Don't ever treat me like I'm not a human being. I'm a person, not a cash machine. I don't care about what I have to obtain. The silence, it scares you. You think about what I do, and you care about what I have to obtain. Promise you'll keep it. You can't live life with secrets. I don't care about what I have to obtain. Don't ever treat me like I'm not a human being. I'm a person, not a cash machine. I don't care about what I have to obtain. Don't ever treat me like I'm not a human being. I'm a person, not a cash machine. I don't care about what I have to obtain.
Wow. Don't. Okay, that's his next song. That was awesome. I loved it. Wow. Good. Okay. Yeah, great song. The great mix. Okay. I love songs that share or tell a story, kind of like almost to the point of being a ballad. I really despise might be a strong word. I dislike greatly songs that are one sentence repeated over and over and over again, like a mantra or a trance thing. This song took you on a journey. An emotional journey. I loved it, and when the beat dropped or something, I'm just a guy who loves to complain. I don't care about what I have to obtain, and when you tell me this isn't right, you expect me to complain. Oh, And the verse was really catchy. That don't ever treat me
Sprinters
like
and
I'm
marchers,
not a
time is up.
human being. I'm a person, not a cash machine. Wow, he did say in his feedback about this, it was a song that he had to write about the music industry. How well this also pertains to the writing community as well, or create any creatives. I'm blown away. I really, I let's see. Armstrong, while the two guitars playing off each other is really nice in the background. Yeah, this was impressive. Uh, the mix, the production. Um, what? Yeah, it was just really good. So if you want to support or listen to it again, you can visit the link soundcloud.com/Jonah K official/tracks. That was, how do you critique something like that? It had a real nice catch. I loved the lyrics. I like the meaning behind the lyrics. Okay? I yeah, I like the meaning. I love that, I made this song because I need to, not because I have something to prove. It's been like it's been this long because I needed to take what I have to bring and improve. Don't ever treat me like I'm not a human being. I'm a person, not a cash machine. I don't care about what I have to obtain. Now that I don't care what I have to obtain. Um, I'm not sure about the meaning behind that. Like, I don't have to obtain a number one track. I don't have to obtain the glory, laud, and honor of musicians or the Grammys or stuff like that. So I'm not sure the exact meaning behind what he means, but I don't care about what I have to obtain. Like, he's doing it to really pull in he's doing it for the sake of music. He's doing it because he's a creative. He's doing it because he can't not do it. But man, that it was just wow. Thank you so much, Jonah K, for sharing this with us and allowing us to see inside you and your music. What a wonderful expression. What a wonderful creative expression. Uh, the music was driving, it was upbeat, the guitar, the electrical music behind it. Uh, you're right. And Emily, you're right. I'm pulling this on my computer so I can listen with my studio cans. I want to get a better idea, but dang serious kudos, dude. Yeah. From a production standpoint, because I'm not a lyricist, but I can comment on mix. Really great use of sonic space. The spread of those beginning effects just sparkle, and the first drop is just so clean. It's just really sleek. Oh, thank you for providing that, Emily, because I'm not a production person of that, but I want to listen to that again. I heard that. I loved it. I enjoyed it. That's the kind of music that I would listen to again. And yeah, again, so thank you so much, Jonah K, for that shaker is so nice too. So thank you so much for sharing this with us as we listen to your music. And as far as awesome, yes. Bored, never. Confused, I did talk about the word obtain. I was not sure about that. Delete, never. Expand, more, please. So if you would like to listen to more of on SoundCloud for Jonah K's music, please visit the link at Jonah K official.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Better
on
start
SoundCloud.
writing anyway.
All right, you're right. I don't know what I'm doing. So thank you so much. And if you want to have your content critiqued, please submit it at wgc.bz/submit. Until next time, keep on creating.
Thanks for watching this Feedback Frenzy. Be sure to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and clicking the notification bell. WriterGreg offers coaching sessions to help bring your world to life, create compelling stories, and accomplish your creative goals. Please visit wgc.bz/coaching for more details.